Next exercise 9.3. First problem is a chord of circle radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of corresponding minor segment and major segment. Use pi equal to 3.14. First we will draw a circle. So in a circle, it is a center of a circle. Let us consider as O. A chord of circle radius 10 centimeters. Radius 90 degrees. Its radius is 10 centimeters. It is 10 centimeters radius. It is 90 degrees. Subtends a right angle at the center. From this point, let this point A and this point be B. Join AB, we can get a chord of a circle. This shaded region is area of minor segment. The remaining white portion is area of major segment. This shaded region is minor segment. To find a minor segment, if you see here, OAB is a sector. Take C here. OACB will look as a sector. Angle of sector is 90 degrees. Radius of sector equal to 10 centimeters. Again, if you consider AOB, AOB is a right angle triangle. It is the OB is the base. OA is the height of a right angle triangle. Solution is AB equal to chord of a circle. OA equal to OB equal to radius of circle, that equal to 10 centimeters. Consider OACB is a sector. OACB is a sector. In this sector, the angle of sector x degrees equal to given as 90 degrees. Now we will find the area of sector. Area of sector formula x by 360 into pi r square x degrees, that equal to x degrees. So 90 degrees is given in the question. 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 10 centimeters. So 10 into 10. 0 0 cancel. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. That equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 can be taken as 3.14 into 100. That equal to 3.14 into 100, 314 by 4. If we divide 314 with 4, 4 7s are 28, 3 4, 4 8s are 32, 2.045 are. That equal to 78.5 centimeters square is the area of this whole sector. Now we have to find the shaded region, that is minor segment. Area of minor segment. To get a area of minor segment, just this shaded region, area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB. That equal to, just now we get area of sector OACB 78.5 centimeter square minus area of sector, it is a right angle triangle, that is why half into base into height, base equal to OB into height is OA, that equals 78.5 centimeter square minus half into OB 10 centimeters into OA is also 10 centimeters, 2 5 10, 2 5s are 10, that equal to 78.5 centimeter square minus 5 10s are 50 centimeter square, that equal to 78 minus 50, that equal to 28.5 centimeter square is the required area of minor segment. Now again we have to find the area of major segment. Major segment is this whole, except this shaded region, this whole part is a major segment. This whole part, this totally, this unshaded part is a major segment. To find a unshaded part, consider a circle. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of major segment equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle formula already we know that pi r square minus area of minor segment we get 28.5 centimeter square. 3.14 pi value is given. If you see in this diagram, total is a circle, OB is a radius of a circle, OA is also radius of a circle, that is 10 centimeters. Instead of r we can written as 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters, 314 centimeters square minus 28.5 centimeter square minus 28.5 centimeter square. If we subtract 314.0 minus 28.5, 5, 3 will be here. Now 13 minus 8, so 5, it will become 9, 2. 295.5 centimeter square. Last step is, therefore area of minor segment equal to 28.5 centimeter square and area of major segment equal to 295.5 centimeter square. Here is, when we subtract it, it will become as 285.5 cent. So final answer will come as 285.5 centimeter square. Area of minor segment also will come as 285.5 centimeter square. So when we find a area of minor segment and major segment, in a minor segment mostly there will be formed a triangle. So angle of sector will be given in the question. Depending upon the area of sector, you have to find the area of sector minus area of triangle. From that you can get the area of minor segment, and area of circle minus area of minor segment. From that you can get the area of major segment.